Some users cannot utilize the Microsoft Store because of this error code. However, you can resolve this error in Windows 10 and Windows 11 with these potential fixes. So first up, start by running the Windows Store application troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, open the System tab, click on Troubleshooter, click Other Troubleshooter, then scroll down and press the Windows Store application run option to see if the troubleshooter detects any issues. Then, you just have to apply any potential manual fixes the troubleshooter suggests. Next, reset cache from the Microsoft Store. Just open Search, type in the following, then select it to initiate the command. Now you have to restart Windows after resetting the Microsoft Store cache. Lastly, check the Windows Update service. Do it by opening Services, double-click Windows Update to view its properties window, select the Services Automatic option on the Start drop-down menu. It is not set that already. Then click the Services Start option to run it. Now you have to remember to select Apply and click OK to close the Windows Update Properties window. Those are the simple fixes if you're having this Microsoft Store error code on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.